Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, so now to our last partition. I'm hopeful the fi'l madi and the fi'l mudari, al-fi'l al-mudari were all understood very clearly. So now to our third partition, which is fi'l al-amri, the command verb or the imperative. Okay, al-amthila, il'ab bil-kurati, play with the ball. Il'ab from la'iba, he played. Il'ab bil-kurati, play with the ball. At'im qittaka, feed your cat. That is the male cat. Qittaka, feed your the cat there is yours. The cat here, qitta is the word, and then ka is you. So feed. At'im is also from at'ama, to give food to. Okay. Nazif thiyabaka. Nazif is also from nazafa, to clean. That is why we call the cleaner nazafun or nazafatun, a cleaner. So nazif thiyabaka, clean your dress or keep your dress clean. Nam mubakkiran, sleep early. Nam mubakkiran, sleep early. From nama, he slept. Tamahal fi sayr. Tamahal fi sayr, that is keep calm in your movement or in your walking. Keep calm. Don't hasten. Okay. Ajid madghat ta'am. Madgh is chewing. At-ta'am is food, of course. Ajid is from the verb ajada, that is to be good at. If I say inni ujidu al-lughat al-arabiyya, verily I'm good at Arabic language. Hal tujidu al-lughat al-arabiyya, do you speak Arabic language very well? Are you good at Arabic language? Say naam ujiduha, I am good at it. Okay, so that is our example. So ajid madghat ta'am means chew food well. Chew the food well. You are eating, I can tell you ajid madghat ta'am, chew the food well. I can tell you this. Okay. Al-Bas, explanation, of course. Al-Kalimatul Ula, the first words, fil amthilati al-mutaqaddimati, in the previous examples. Al-mutaqaddima is same as as-sabiqa. Okay, so the first words in the previous examples are all af'alun, they are all verbs. So we are looking at il'ab, at'im, nazif, nam, tamahal, ajid. These are what we are looking at. All these are verbs. Why? لِأَنَّ كُلًّا مِنْهَا, because each of them يَدُلُّ عَلَى, indicates or points to حصول عمل, the occurrence of work, في زمن خاص, in a specific time. وَإِذَا تَدَبَّرْنَا هَذِهِ الْأَفْعَالِ, and if we ponder over these verbs, وَجَدْنَا الْمُتَكَلِّمَ فِي كُلٍّ مِنْهَا, we find this, the first person. Al-Mutakallim is the first person, that is the one speaking. We find the first person in each of it. يَطْلُبُ مِنَ الْمُخَاطَبِ, he's requesting from the second person, which is the mukhatab, the one being spoken to. يَطْلُبُ مِنْ, requesting from. Ana atlubu minka al-musa'ada, I'm seeking from you, I'm seeking help from you. Yatlubu min al-mukhatabi, he's seeking from the second person. Wa ya'muruhu, and is commanding him an ya'tiya amalan, to do a particular work. An ya'tiya here means an ya'amala, not an ya'tiya bimana, to come. No, we use it to mean to do. An ya'tiya ay an ya'amala amalan, to do a particular work. Fi zaman al-mustaqbal, in a future time. So when somebody says a command verb, the action is done after the command. That's why we say fi zaman al-mustaqbal. When I command you, of course, the action, what you will do, will be after my command. Okay. وَمِنْ أَجْلِ ذَلِكَ, and due to that, يُسَمَّى كُلُّ فِعْلٍ مِنْ هَذِهِ الْأَفْعَالِ, each verb among these verbs is called fi'l amr. It's called fi'l amr, command verb. Because when I say it, it is a request or command for you to do a particular action. So we call it fi'l amr. That is the command verb. فَالْفِعْلُ إِلْعَبْ, so the verb إِلْعَبْ, play. فِي الْمِثَالِ الْأَوَّلِ, in the first example, يُطْلَبُ بِهِ, it is used to request. مِنَ الْمُخَاطَبِ, from the second person. إتيان اللعب أي عمل اللعب or فعل اللعب. It is used to request from the second person to play في الزمن المستقبل in a future time. وهو لذلك فعل أمر, and so due to that it is a command verb. والفعل أطعم, and the verb أطعم, that is feed. في المثال الثاني, في المثال الثاني, in the second example, the verb أطعم يطلب به, it is used to request من المخاطب, from the second person, حصول الإطعام, the occurrence of feeding. Al-It'am is feeding. That is the verbal noun for at'ama. The verbal noun is it'am. Okay. I'm sure going ahead we will come to understand the concept of verbal nouns and how they are formed in Arabic language, inshallah, soon. حصول الإطعام في الزمن المستقبل, the occurrence of feeding in a future time. وهو لذلك فعل أمر أيضا, and so due to that it is also a command verb. وهكذا يقال في بقية الأفعال السابقة. وهكذا يقال, and same is said في بقية الأفعال السابقة, in the remaining or the other fi'l, in the other previous verbs, the verbs that he didn't mention, because he has mentioned at'im and then il'ab. The other ones are the baqiyya, the remaining ones. So in the remaining verbs, same applies, same rule applies. It is used to request the occurrence of an action. It is used to command somebody to do an action in a future time. Future time here means that the action happens after the command. Okay. Al-Qaida, the ruling. فعل الأمر, the command verb. هو كل فعل, it is any verb يطلب به, that is used to request حصول شيء, the occur حصول شيء, it is used to request the occurrence of something في الزمن المستقبل, in a future time. So you memorize these two as the definition. You memorize these two as the definition of command verb. Okay. So this brings us to the end of the three partitions, which we have fi'l madin, we have al-fi'l al-mudari', we have fi'l al-amri. Okay. Because we've already said that الفعل ينقسم إلى ثلاثة أقسام باعتبار زمنه, وهذه الثلاثة هي الفعل الماضي والفعل المضارع, we have ثم فعل الأمر. okay. لذلك عندنا ثلاثة أقسام للفعل باعتبار زمنه. okay. هذا ما يجب علينا, ويجب علينا أن نعرف تعريف كل منها. تعريف فعل الماضي, ما هو فعل الماضي, يجب أن نعرف هذا. ويجب أن نعرف أيضا ما هو الفعل المضارع وما هو الفعل الأمر, يجب أن نعرف كل هذا وكيف شكله, كيف شكل فعل الماضي وكيف شكل فعل المضارع وكيف شكل فعل الأمر, يجب أن نعرف هذا إن شاء الله, حتى إذا لقينا أي أحد من هذه الأقسام يسهل علينا معرفة أي قسم ندخله, أي في أي قسم ندخله إن شاء الله. سهل الله لنا طريق التعليم, طريق تعلم هذه اللغة الجميلة المباركة, حتى نلتقي مرة أخرى إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.